Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making an incredibly delicious and crispy Lahori fish. This street food favorite is packed with rich spices and flavor. Before starting the recipe, please subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. First take 2 cups of flour. We are going to coat each fish fillet with this flour. I am using 1.5 kg of the fish fillet for this recipe. Make sure each fillet is evenly coated. Once done, let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. While the fish is resting, let's prepare the marination. In a bowl, start by mixing 3 tablespoons of garlic with half cup of lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. To this, add 2 teaspoons of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of crushed cumin. Next, season with 2.5 tablespoons of salt. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of Tabasco sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix everything together. To create the batter, add 2 cups of gram flour into the spice mixture. Gradually pour the water while mixing to form a thick and smooth paste. Once the batter is ready, it's time to marinate the fish. Add all the fish fillet into the batter. Let the fish marinate for about 4 hours. After 4 hours of marination, heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the marinated fish fillet in the pan. Fry them until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides, making sure they are crispy and cooked thoroughly. Once done, remove the fish from the pan. And there you have it, perfectly crispy spicy Lahori fish ready to serve. Serve it hot with a side of chutney and enjoy this mouth-watering Pakistani street food at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.